Okay, so I'm gonna tackle this fridge for a little bit here before I leave. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that is hair growing mold on here. Look, it's even like there's a tail coming off of the thing. It's so gross. Okay, so this is my first tackling of this project, which I'm not happy about having to do, but that is my job. And there was a nasty mop in here, and I'm gonna use said mop to clean this fridge out, or at least to do a first clean on this fridge. I'm not getting anywhere near it. Not right now. This is so gross. Like, how can people live like this? Eat out of stuff like this. That's disgusting. That's not my worst enemy. Pull that out. Move into the side. Ew. This still stinks. Bad. At least this is good. Manageable enough to where, hey, hopefully it doesn't stink anymore. Here, clean it without a respirator on. Okay. That should at least give us a head start. Ugh. Still gross. So, at least we got it started.